Hello my dear students, welcome back to my SST class. In today's video, we will discuss about the Geography chapter 9, Life in Desert. So what we will learn in this chapter? We will talk about the introduction part, means the definition of desert. Two case studies also you will learn, and these are Sahara and Ladakh. So let's start with the first topic, and that is the introduction part. You know that water is necessary for life on earth, and it is very difficult for us also to survive without water. So the definition of deserts are places with very little rainfall. Actually, deserts are dry places having less than 25 centimeter rainfall in a year. So as a result, the vegetation cover is scant, or we can say the in desert area you will see the scanty vegetation. Scanty मतलब बहुत ही कम. And extreme temperature, and depending on the temperature we have two types of deserts, hot and cold. Many people around the world have adapted to life in the deserts, and they also practice agriculture wherever water is available. Now we are going to discuss about the hot deserts. These deserts are located within the tropics between 20 and 30 latitudes, especially north and south of the equator. For example, Sahara and Kalahari deserts of Africa, the third desert in India, West Australian desert, Atacama desert of South America, and the Mexican desert of North America. But in this video, we will talk about the best example of the hot desert, and that is Sahara. So let's start with the Sahara location and relief. It is the world's largest desert and has an area of 8.54 million square kilometer, touching 11 countries: Algeria, Chad, Egypt, Libya, Mali, Mauritania, Morocco, Nigeria, Sudan, Tunisia and Western Sahara. Tunisia and Western Sahara. Including vast stretches of sand, the Sahara also has gravel, plains and elevated plateaus with bare rocky surfaces that could be up to 2500 meters high. Climate of Sahara. The climate of Sahara is extremely hot and dry. It has a very short rainy season. The moisture in the desert evaporates faster than it accumulates. So, days are unbelievably hot. Those high temperatures heat up the sand and the bare rocks, which in turn radiate heat and make everything around them hotter. Nights in the desert might be freezing cold, with the temperatures dropping to 0 degrees. Now my dear children, we are going to discuss about the flora and fauna, means natural vegetation and wildlife of Sahara Desert. Cactus, date palms and acacia are vegetation found in Sahara Desert. In some places there are oases. Oasis means an small patch of vegetation surrounded by desert, or we can say any kind of fertile or green area in an arid region, means especially we can say the desert area. Camels, hyenas, jackals, foxes, scorpions, many varieties of snakes and lizards are the prominent animal species living there. Now we are going to discuss about the people, means the life of the people in Sahara Desert. Despite of harsh climate in Sahara, it is inhabited by various group of people who pursue different activities. Some nomadic tribes such as Bedouins and Tuaregs live here and rear goats, sheep, camels and horses. The oasis in the Sahara and Nile Valley in Egypt supports the settled population. Obviously जहाँ पे आप पानी मिलेगा वहाँ पे बहुत फर्टाइल होगा, तो पॉपुलेशन के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा है, जस्ट लाइक आवर नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स एरिया इन गंगा वैली. The people grow date palms, rice, wheat, barley and beans. Egyptian cotton, famous worldwide, is grown in the Egypt. Beside the oil, other minerals of importance that are found in the area include iron, phosphorus, manganese and uranium. So that's the end of this session. We will meet in our next class with new topics. So till then, bye, take care and happy learning.